You gotta learn to watch all your likely egress points. Learn to use all the stuff that you have at your advantage, like the incendiary grenades, which you can throw to block off any place that the enemy might come. It's also good for hurrying out and getting rid of the grappling hooks that people might want to use. The incendiary grenades are also great to spam out and burn your opponents up at the places that are most likely the best advantage point. With tunnel vision. That is one of the ways that most people die when trying to camp because you're so busy trying to get a kill in one area. Also look to help out your friend given an opportunity so that they can turn around and get the kills and or keep from being killed. Remember that this is a team sport. When you're camping up high especially, make sure that you're patient. You can't get every kill that y'all win the day by setting security for somebody else. Being patient and keeping yourself moving all the time so that people can't pinpoint you is how you make sure that you always stay out on top and that you and your team are successful. Camp or college, even though you're camping, you can still be a part of the team. It's all about trying to make sure that everybody can get their maximum amount of kills by denying the enemy theirs.